Jay DeFuria with E10 News, and we're here with tonight's top story: snow. As you can see on our map here, we have a major low-pressure system pummeling Massachusetts. Current conditions here in Sunderland: 20 degrees. Visibility: 0.2 of a mile. Look at that barometric pressure, so low. And gusts of 29 miles per hour. Our forecast for the rest of today and into tomorrow is snow. Let's pull up the radar and see how it looks. Snow. Snow. As you look at our system here, we have snow coming down over the Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Hampshire, New York areas, even into Pennsylvania. Flooding is expected on the coast here as the storm continues to swirl inward in an inward direction. Swirling like a toilet bowl. D0, that's some sort of weather station. You can see the wind coming from a southeast direction, moving towards the northeast. Watch out, Vermont, it's coming for you. Now, as our storm will develop, it is expected to drop tremendous amounts of snow. Deval Patrick ordered all vehicles off the road today. Do you know what I think about going out on the roads? There's no way I'm going out on those roads today. It's like a wild jungle cat in here. Wild snow jungle cat. In other news, the Black Eyed Peas were caught changing their name after the storm. They're going to be forever known as the Black Ice Peas. I'm a fine connoisseur of wines, but during the storm I could only think about the wine chill factor. Just wondering to myself, where does Frosty store all his money? Turns out it's in the snowbank. Do you know what happened to Guns N' Roses' lead singer during this storm? Changed his name to Axl Froze. Avalanche. It's no joking matter. It's no place to be. But don't take my word for it. We're going to go to the field and show reporter Sean Blubaugh, who's been out there for hours in the snow. Sean?
Well, thanks, Jay. And as you can see, it's really starting to come down out here. It really picked up in the last couple hours. It's about the 12 o'clock hour right now. We're expecting some heavier bands pushing from the East Coast all the way through Central Mass and then to us in here in Western Mass. So let's find a place where there hasn't been too much drifting and see where we're at right now. It looks about 10 inches right now. We're expecting about another 8 or so, 8 to 10 inches overnight. Getting a lot heavier about the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock hour. Pause it. And as you can see, the snow's really blowing around. The wind has really picked up. There's sustained winds about 25 miles per hour, gusting all the way up over 30. Out on the East Coast, out by Boston, they're experiencing some gusts well over 50, 60 miles per hour. So as that storm keeps turning and turning, the wind's going to start coming out of the northeast. Wind's going to pick up a little bit. Heavier bands of snow going to come right over us, and we'll have to see where we're at in the morning. But we'll check back. I'm going to go inside and get a little warmed up, and back to you, Jay.